Hi, my name is Chuck Gafford, and we're going to be covering materials for the core solutions of Exchange Server 2013 exam. That exam number is exam number 70-341. 70-341. This particular module is an overview of Exchange Server 2013. And we're going to go into give you a concept of the overall course and the overall basic concepts of Exchange Server 2013. So we'll cover areas of administration for Exchange and engineering, as well as preparation for you to take the Microsoft 7341 exam, which is the core solutions exam for Exchange Server 2013. This exam is the first of two exams after you've completed the core Windows 2012 3 exams to obtain the Microsoft Certified Solutions Expert mcse certification. So we're going to go over concepts of Exchange. It's important to understand these high-level concepts to be successful in deploying Exchange Server 2013. These concepts will help you with seeing how Exchange administration interacts with the overall architecture of Exchange Server 2013. Another important point to note is that Exchange Server 2013 does integrate very well with Office, Microsoft Office 2013, the whole suite, and it can run with Office 2010. There is a benefit to using Office 2013 as it's designed for Exchange 2013 server, and of course Office 2012 is designed for Exchange Server 2010, or Office 2010 is designed for Exchange Server 2010. If you are deploying Exchange 2013, you should look to deploy Office 2013. If you have 2010 and you have to upgrade in stages, then that's certainly an option for you. So Exchange Server 2013 is comprised of two different components, the client software component and the server component. So the server-side software is, of course, Exchange Server 2013, and the client-side software is Microsoft Outlook 2013, or it could be 2010. Now, Outlook 2013 includes full Outlook, the full Outlook client, as well as Outlook Web App, which replaces the Outlook Web Access in Outlook 2007, 2010, and earlier versions. And it can be accessed by multiple browser software components. So you can, with Outlook Web App, you can use Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, and some other browsers like Safari from Apple or Google Chrome. Outlook 2013 is also accessible from various mobile devices, including Apple iPhones, BlackBerry phones, and Windows mobile phones. And there's been a new addition fairly recently of support for Apple iPads. Now, this is the screenshot of the Outlook 2013 interface, and it uses the ribbon interface from Outlook 2007 and Outlook 2010. You'll look in the upper left-hand corner. There are some text with drop-down menus that come from them, but then there's the ribbon interface that's just below those text words like file, home, etc. So if you're going to create a new appointment, you just click on the little icon that says New Appointment, and a screen will pop up and you can create a new appointment there. If you want to do a new meeting, then you can do a new meeting. So that's with the meeting groups of people. New appointment is for a meeting you have with something. And you'll see three icons or so over there. There's the text New Link Meeting. So if you're integrated with Link, you can have that option to create a link meeting from your Outlook rather than having to go through the link component to do so, the link client. The next set of screens are about the type of calendar view that you want to have. We're in the calendar section of Outlook. So we can look at today by itself, or the next 7 days, the next week. We can look at day or work week or the week. And the mode we're in now is viewing it via the work week. So you'll see we have on our screen Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And this is of the time period June 2nd through June 6th. Then there's some other icons, open calendar, calendar groups, etc. And there can be some things that will be available that will tie to SharePoint if you have a SharePoint installation in your environment. So Outlook is tied, possibly if you deploy it, to not only Exchange but to Link and SharePoint Server as well. Integrates well with the 2013 versions. In the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see there's 4 words: mail, calendar, people, and tasks. So if I want to look at my email, I would click on the word mail, and that'll show me all my emails. I'm on the calendar view now. If I want to see my Outlook contacts, people that are in the organization or in your company and maybe other companies that you've created contacts for, you would click on people word, the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. And then there is tasks, that's the bottom left-hand corner as well. That's to the right of the word people for any tasks. If you have a task list you need to create for yourself or for some people, you can do that through the task option. Following that is an ellipsis, so that's really like the more option if you want to see more things that you can do within Outlook besides mail, your calendar, your people or contacts or task list. So it's a new interface for some people and something you need to get familiar with as part of Exchange 2013.